Okay, so one person do one thing. Okay, you all three can stand here. Welcome, I will be here. I will be guiding you how to do it. One more scissor will be there. This one.
No, blue color.
Blue color.
In that yellow color.
Ah.
1, 2, 3. This.
Knife also keep it. Later on you can take, no? Later on. Just keep it in this bowl, everything. Today what you are using, just take that, everything keep it in there.
This 2 is enough.
Okay, so for the brownies we have to use the parchment paper. Okay, these table also we don't need. This turntable just put it aside.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಬರ್ತೀನ ಅಂತ.
ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3:15 ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
Okay, so first I will tell you how to use the parchment paper for at least 2 inch more you will take. This much is fine. So that easily you can lift up. Otherwise it will get difficult, it will break because brownies have more chocolate and more butter into it, so it will break. Okay. What is this? So just do upside down. This. Like a wrapping. We need to get the edge. So here we will give one cut. Okay, like this. Now you can give the cut here till the corner. Okay, this corner. This edge will go here. Like this. Okay. And no need to put any butter on this. It's already a butter paper and brownie itself will have a more butter. Okay.
this side it is very
This is small.
Yeah.
It's fine. Good. Brownie will be hardly 1 inch only. हेलो विनोद, आज क्या बन रहा है? आज बन रहा है ब्राउनीज, एग एंड एगलेस ब्राउनीज, और हम आज बना रहे हैं कुकीज़. start with eggless, no ingredients. Okay, you have here, just measure it and follow it.
For brownies, do we have to dissolve the curd and sugar first? Or that should be-
No. So, eggless you are starting, huh? In this hot milk go, okay, you will try to take it out the curd, sorry, for everything in the fridge. So first we will take for the brownie, we always start with the butter and the chocolate, okay? Today you are talking actually. And, okay, let me bring the chocolate and So milk, Rachna, I have kept it on the gas, so please remember, I am giving you other things. Okay. For this, take the extension and put it there. And egg, how many eggs are there? 3 or 4?
Take.
3 eggs.
Extension. मैम बटर को मेल्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना?
बटर को पहले मेल्ट नहीं करना है।
Hot water नहीं लिया है।
So first we will melt the chocolate, not the butter. So wait, the solid.
ಎಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಗ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ತೆಂಗು ಏನು ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್
Give me the scissors.
ಸೀಸರ್
In chocolates, there are varieties.
Many.
Ma'am, I can use this.
So for the chocolate, I will tell you the variations also. Chopping board chocolate को मत खाओ, factory का chocolate. No need to chop. You are measuring it
No,
or you are
it's
chopping
done.
it.
It's
It's
done.
done. No need to chop. So first, I will just give you the information regarding the chocolates. What types of chocolates we used to get it. Okay. To see here. Or can you tell me first what are the types of chocolates? Tell me.
Compound
Dark
chocolate.
chocolate,
Mhm.
white chocolate.
Okay.
Milk chocolate.
Okay. So these are the types, right? These are not the types of the
Babies
chocolates.
are.
These are the flavors of the chocolate: dark, milk, and white. Okay. Types of the chocolates are here. So first of all, can you see here? It is written chocolate here. Percentage is also given. Now here I am having same. Can you tell me any somewhere you can see the chocolate written? No. So what does it say then?
This is not the chocolate.
Correct. It is not the chocolate. It is a fake chocolate. Okay. So now what is the difference between these two? This is made of hydrogenated oils. ठीक है? Hydrogenated oil से बनता है. There is no cocoa butter into it. Chocolate meant to be a cocoa butter, which is this one. Okay. Brands are many. This is one brand which we used to use. Okay. So the percentage showing the percent of cocoa into it. Cocoa butter is written here. Okay. So you will get it 46 also. You will get 56 also. You will get 70% also. The more percent is going higher, the more bitterness will also be there. Okay. So we used to prefer this 46%. If you feel like this is more bitterness, then you can go with the milk also. Or otherwise less percentage also you can go with. Okay. So this gives you very rich and creamy texture. The smooth texture, the taste when you are eating it. Okay. This gives little greasiness. You will feel something is sticking on your throat. It is like this. So this is the compound. This is your chocolate. So according to the Indian rules, you cannot put the name which is not exactly mentioned there. Just like the ice cream. If you see at the pack, it is a frozen sweet, not the ice cream. Frozen dessert. Okay, same like that. Okay, so these are the some brands. So this is white compound, dark compound, and chocolate. So you will get it white chocolate also, milk chocolate also into it. Both variations you will get it, compound and the chocolate. Okay.
But we should add this one or that? That
It's
is
all
fine.
depends. Nothing completely fine. Whatever you want. It's the flavor, the taste, the taste.
Flavor.
Okay, so it is not like when your client have asked you, I want a truffle cake. Now which one you will go? These
That
have
one.
a very completely different pricing. It is not like okay, I want to prefer the chocolate on that. I was also the same. Previously, 2 years back, I was like okay, I will make the in this only. But then last 3 years, there are a very hike in the chocolate prices due to the less cocoa production, cacao production. So then the price went like a skyrocket. Okay, this was coming around 2,000 per kg. Then I came to okay, I am giving you 2-3 options. You choose it whether you want to go compound, whether you want to go mousse, or whether you want to go with the pure chocolate. So now it is like you will give the options to your client. I want this, I want this. I mean, I have this, I have this. Now, as for your budget, you tell me, I will make with this. Okay. And they will ask you now, what is compound? What is chocolate? It happens because they don't know. You have to tell them. You have to describe them. Okay, this is compound. This is chocolate. Now, whatever they want, you can do it.
For this we call as Kovac chocolate.
Chocolate, pure chocolate. Just simply language, pure chocolate. Okay. So now this chocolate, you don't need to chop it, which you have done it. So now I will remove this. Otherwise, this will burn. Oh, I need a dry container now, dry bowl, because this is not dry.
This one
Do
is
you have
dry.
anything dry? Okay.
This is dry.
Nothing is there. So now do one thing, just keep as it is. Microwave is there. I told you how to use this. The bottom button press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It should make sound while pressing 1, 2, 3. Like clicking sound should come. So total 1.5 minutes we are going to melt this. It will melt completely. Okay, then you add this. It will also melt.
So I take this as on
No.
after some.
Huh.
Will it not show in the display the time?
That display is going.
Okay.
That's why I said just count the beat.
Okay.
3 times should be
Display
display.
okay then.
Those things I have 2 only.
Huh?
You didn't.
I gave one. I should give one more.
This you kept it right now? I mean, you kept it because I haven't kept it. I just.
No.
We had only 2 of
Yesterday.
them.
2 of them only.
Huh.
Then maybe
Which one? This I kept and she kept one in the morning.
One more.
And this four we took. 3 of them.
And this is sufficient or see it is not completely melted.
Keep it there and now mix it with the spatula.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಚುಲಾ ತಗೋ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್
Mixing?
Yes.
Now mix that remaining chocolate also. That's all fun.
Wait, Mandaka.
ಅದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್
This is 200 grams.
ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Melted? Now add butter into this.
So melting butter.
So spoons are kept here.
So it is.
Use the spatula, not the fingers. Okay? Either a spatula or the another spoon. No, don't remove that. Shamita, don't remove that. It will change the weight. Alright, don't remove that.
Oh.
And 4 grams is extra, is that fine? Butter.
Mixer.
You need to go again and press one more time, then the butter will melt.
Okay. Remove that spatula.
Yeah.
Wait. Let it be. Keep it here only. Go and put it in the plate.
Okay.
Press one time. Okay? Okay. Then we come. We have to
Butter, sugar, hot milk.
take the sugar. Shall I off this? Huh?
Milk off.
Yeah.
ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ natural.
So first we took the chocolate, we melted, then we took the butter, we melted. Now we will take the sugar and just add into it, it will melt. She has measured already the same quantity which is given, okay, same we are following it. Now first mix this properly. Do one thing, change the spatula with the bigger one, the she has, Shamita. Good. Now add the sugar.
Little bit all of it.
Add whole. Mix it until the sugar is melted. Bring the milk this way from there. Okay, now measure the flour also. You keep it here. Sure, I give you that. Sugar you will need now. Another brownie, then cookies you will need sugar. I keep it here only everything.
Stand like it.
into this now.
Ma'am, that green is okay.
It's okay.
White range.
I told not to speak still.
What is it, ma'am?
I told not to speak. Whisk now. Take the whisk. Remove that spatula also. Keep it here and use the whisk now. Mix it properly. Now release it. Cocoa powder also you add into it. Cocoa powder. Take the cocoa powder from here. Full 1 spoon you add it. It is the same quantity. Okay, which is mentioned. It is same quantity. Full 1 spoon. Into this. Into this. It should add on the hot. Cocoa powder is always in the head or hot. Add now. Mix it now.
Here we need not to see it.
If you want, you can see it, but cocoa powder will go into this one, not in that. Right. In hot only. Okay. Now mix first properly. Okay. Now check. I think oil is there. Is there or not?
No.
Curd. Curd is there.
Yeah.
There is. There is. Egg. Take one. Not the bottle. Leave it, leave it. If it is there, then leave it. Slowly.
20-25.
Small amount only. Now mix. Then you add the milk. Okay? Just take all the nutrients you have taken. Done. Now mix this. It's done.
It's done.
Alright? It's done.
No,
Little. That's bubble.
It is
Bubble.
bubble. Okay, so you have to be careful again. I am saying do not over mix the batter.
Okay.
Why you keep on doing this?
no, I saw see it, the lumps like
No, it is not lump, it is bubble. Okay, transfer this and measure what is the quantity always. Okay, so you will know that what is the recipe particular is giving the weight. 0 weight.
How much? No,
Whole, put it. Whole. No, use anyone. It would be around 700 grams.
Yeah.
740. Wait, hold. This also. Now keep this aside, okay, and prepare the next pattern. Down. Like that. Keep this aside. In brownie, we don't use any baking powder or baking soda. Okay, so no problem, you can keep it here also. Okay, okay, now Ashna, you do it. Just follow the recipe, you both have no issues. Wait. Take this one. How much? Use knife, Baba.
No, I was thinking.
All the flavors I'll give you. However you feel it, it should look good on top. So it's straight out there you can do.
Straight means we need to.
No,
I like this one side.
Wait. Not like this.
Okay.
This is hard, huh? No, stop. Today we can manage. No problem, we can wait. But once it is kid, that's the problem. Cookies also can be wait. This still no problem. Nothing will happen. This one, use this one. That is very thin, this is the...
We'll take everything there, no? So that I won't buy. There only will buy.
Depends what they have.
First.
Is now I cannot say that everything will be there, but we stores will be there. Yeah, some different vendors used to come, so they will be having different material. It depends on when we are doing it, at that time that is available or not. So most probably we are going on Thursday only. Since first is the first, so they will be having. So we can buy this stuff. So either spatula you put it inside only, then press the 0, and but in between don't try to remove. As the Shamta was doing, then it will go in the minus way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hundred.
adding. That stick, that small butter stick, you know, that is 100 gram only.
Yes.
So that was you need to add. Okay. Keep it again, 30 seconds. This is cream cheese. Actually, I love this flavor.
Yeah. You were like mouth watering for me.
The cake also, which is never, even I will not be the frosting I will prefer, not the color. And the brownies also. Just love this. So when you are adding this now, the cream cheese, just mix it.
You already made it?
I have already made it.
Okay. When you boil the milk, that you will quickly and keep it in fridge every day without adding curds.
So it is like 1:1 ratio, 1 liter milk, 1 liter cream. What we do? We made different frosting. This is cream cheese. Okay. So I have just take the cream cheese and I just mix it so that it easily can be incorporated in this. Okay. So any flavor which you are putting on the top, like this kind of a thick, with the spoon you won't be able to mix it. It will go completely the inside only. Then use the toothpick. Okay, and make the swirls like this. This is going inside, no? Okay, it is done. Now you add eggs one by one.
Sugar later.
Sugar later. First you add eggs. Take it very well.
When it melts, it will be like that.
Like this only I want. It should be visible, na? Then only we will say, na, it is a cream cheese. Otherwise it will go completely inside. Then after cutting only you can see it.
Peanut butter.
This is peanut butter. So this is more thick.
Stopping.
Or this way.
As I said, 1 by 1 means add 1, mix it, then 1, then mix it. It is called 1 by 1. Now mix. So these are the base. These are the main brownie base. Egg and eggless I have told you. Now flavor whatever you want you can do. You can do the Oreo, you can do the biscuit, cream cheese, peanut butter, walnut, almonds, anything. These are the topping which is called later on flavor. Okay. So this is the main base now. And you can do the ganache also on the top. You can do the Nutella also. But try to
This
understand.
cream will get it in outside also.
Yes, yes. Brands are also there.
Suppose we
Britannia is
can't
there,
make
Milky Mist is there, Britannia, Milky Mist and Delecta. These 3 to 4 brands are really good. Okay? So what I was saying
You
is
were telling something.
that's
No,
No,
this
you
Ganesh
can,
you
you
can
said,
make.
no. You said you can use Nutella and any other flavor.
So I was saying that when you are using the fillings which has a more sugar, like the Nutella, it is 90% sugar only. So the Nutella will go after the baking only, not before the baking. Okay, like a salted caramel, if you want to use, caramel will go after baking, not before baking. If you won't put it, it will burn more. Okay, it will not give you the good flavor, it will give you the burn flavor.
Okay. So afterwards, after
Yes,
baking, we
this
will
has to be baked. This cream cheese has to be baked, so we will put before baking. This has to be baked, we will put before baking. Ganache, no need to bake. Nutella, no need to bake. Caramel, no need to bake. So put it after baking only. Okay, as much as you want.
Caramel.
Done? Okay, now you add sugar into it. Shanta, now do this. So this peanut butter is very very thick. Okay, so let it be otherwise. Let it be. Otherwise, what will happen? No? There will be no brownie batter, and then after baking it will sink. Okay, so let it be.
After baking?
After baking, no, the brownie will sink. Because there is no brownie, this will remain only. It also has sugar, so it will evaporate. Then only you will be able to see this only, which is sunk only. There is no brownie left. Okay, so don't mix it. Otherwise, you could have put so small lines. Next?
No.
No. The cookies we will do tomorrow, it will take time. Cookies will take time, so already told.
Morning.
Okay, this. So today we can make a fondant. Fondant we can do. Sugar only. Sugar only. No. It will melt otherwise. Leave it. When you mix this maida, no, it will mix. That's a very small part. Check all the ingredients, all are done.
This is actually.
Shashiji, now you go and reheat the oven and check whether there should not be anything inside and anything on the top also.
This checking of ingredient is major.
Yes, so once you have mixed all, just always recheck whether I have added all or not. It happens usually, even I also do. Sometimes I will forget the baking powder, baking soda.
Yeah. Last time I forgot milk. Milk is still okay, but if you
Now, if you put the leavening agent, then what
Correct.
You know, sometimes after putting in oven, then I will realize I forgot it. Then I will tip it out and I have to put it, but at least I have to add. So the egg batter will be little thick than the egg yolk one. Okay? What happened? Huh?
I think she didn't change the plug.
It's a oven. Sorry, microwave plug is there. Okay, now I will bring the fondant. Okay, take the weight also of this. Tray पूरा देखो
Ma'am, I'll transfer it to tin. Ma'am, 10 minutes only.
with the specimen.
ಈಗ ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಬಿಡಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಡಿಲಿಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ
ರಾಮೇ ನೀವು
ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೇರೊಂದು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ My husband, we won't allow me to bring egg inside the house, okay? Egg. So, yeah, one upstairs, one room is there. There I prepare and so my daughter was telling her room, no, it's empty. So you keep everything here only and you prepare here only. Anyhow, nobody is using that.
So you only eat eggs because you used to have eggs and he doesn't.
No, I asked.
She won't have. If it
Directly.
is in the cake and also
Cake and
have.
all we'll have, but
That
that
you're having eggs. one batch now. There was one girl, okay. They, two were there, they both become friends. So we were talking like that. So Anna was like, ma'am, you know how vegetarian she is. At home she will not eat non-veg. Outside she will eat non-veg. And she said, I am veg. And that's completely different now. What is this? So every weekend they used to go outside. They used to have a non-veg. So like, I am completely non-veg. I am non-veg. No, that's what she used to say. No, she is vegetarian. She will call herself vegetarian.
Only weekend she will become
That too, she is having weekend. That too outside of the home. She is vegetarian. It's not non-vegetarian.
It's still good, huh?
I go, it will not be. So we have to
Outside of it.
half of the brownie you left.
Yeah.
Remove this. You have to square this. You should get a proper square, no?
This side.
If you feel like you can add some milk also.
For gluten free, what type of this thing we should use?
See, gluten free is not like you can add something on the flour. Gluten is there is no binding. Then you have to work on the complete recipe. So those are completely different recipes. It should be like this. Check the weight of this.
Yes, ma'am.
7. 7. You get orders mostly egg or
Depends.
But what happens now? They are inviting people like for the cakes and all. And both kind of people will come, so they don't say that they get it here. I'm over here, so I need to do something last month. Previously I used to ask, I would eggless. Now, that it will be. If someone say with egg, then I'm very happy. Reason? When you make it the egg, the cake size will become more.
Yeah. That fluffiness will be more.
Right? Fluffyness will be same with the eggless version also. She made now. They're so fluffy, right? But the taste will be little different. Because egg taste you cannot bring in the eggless, definitely. It is an egg, yeah? Okay? So let's get it here. And
She will like this. Nice.
you like nuts?
No,
Health oriented, that's
no,
what.
I won't eat especially this badami and badami candy.
No, you soak it in water, then you have it.
I don't like roasted almonds.
No, you should never eat the roasted. It's not good. Oh, roasted one.
Yeah, we should soak.
Soak.
The sugar content will be more if you eat raw.
After soaking, we have to
Remove it.
Not here,
I
she's
know.
studying general.
Yeah, yeah.
I used to soak only.
Even I.
I
soaking, most of them remove roasted.
Most of them remove. I don't. And let it be.
No, if you remove it, it's good for health. Sugar, this thing won't be more.
We don't have any problem with the sugar.
No, usually it is said in the
Completely fine.
doctors say like that.
But almond
It's
should
good.
not be roasted. It will give you more gut problems of the roasted almonds. Even this cashew is completely okay. You can have it. But the nuts should be always soaked. Then only you can have the benefits of it. Otherwise, there is no need.
I sold that down. Almonds to make apple
You
milkshake.
show us how you prepare your food, no? That also will be nice, your side food.
Side food.
Your north side food, no?
Ah,
I like it.
ah.
that fry and all they make very nice. And for roti and all, they make sides. That very nicely cooked. So you think that
Yes,
one
yes,
class?
one day we should have that what do you call it, party.
What
Like
like
something you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
order.
What you like to tell our side? You know,
I
I
love South
prefer
Indian food. Now
What
I
you
become
prefer?
South Indian also.
you
My husband says, now by the time this cook will leave, we will find South Indian.
Oh, cook will come.
Yeah, I know.
Or else
How much they are taking?
Then what do you have to go to the store?
No. Just usually some
It's
people
done.
they won't like cooking. They will only prepare.
No, not for us completely fine. And I'm not like a foodie person.
Mm-hmm.
I just need a food to live.
Live that's all.
I
Okay.
don't live for the food. I'm that kind of person.
Mm.
So I can have anything. Anything.
She will prepare. He or she?
She's working from since 2 years.
Like
And she's known.
the dish you will recommend or she will only prepare?
No, I give her whatever I want to. She will just make it. She will.
She is also north side.
She's Bangladesh. She's
Oh.
whatever she's doing, just let it be.
Yeah.
That's true.
Evening I prepare.
Okay.
Evening for my kids. Because evening we don't take too much food.
Mhm.
Very light food. Okay, so the remaining one we will do ganache either or the caramel toppings we will do.
After
Now-
baking.
Hmm. So now this will go into the fridge.
Oh,
Oh, when
You won't believe I will. Even this happened in the online class also. Okay, now this will go into the fridge and I tell you what I say now. Keep it in the oven. Take it one by one. Take it. Timing, check the timing. It is 30 minutes. Keep it for 30 minutes. 30?
Yeah, it
It's already preheated, na? Okay. Right now just keep this side. You can keep it in sink. Right now just keep it. You put some water. Later on you can wash. And this at this place you need to clean it properly so the fondant will make it on the table. It cannot be done in a bowl which is very difficult. That the wooden stick be careful, that will go into the sink.
we can put it on this. You want it now? Wash it and
I will give you one thing for life. Our recipe only will make because I have a lot of fun with the previous things. Okay, so that just for the understanding, you make this one. This one. It's a kind of half of a
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್
And dustbin outside.
In morning we used to keep it now so that they can take the. Once you take the measurement of the sugar
big, huh? Water.
half of we are doing the half of the recipe. Okay? Because I am having so much content from the previous class, we used to make it, no? So that we will do it. Just to make how to do it process, we are making it half of the recipe. So this is the icing sugar.
Icing sugar.
This is the icing sugar. It's not your normal sugar which we have used this one. This is very fine powdery form. Okay, which has a 80% sugar and 20% your corn flour. So you have to buy it.
This one, normal sugar.
This is normal sugar which we have blended. We call it castor sugar. This is castor sugar. This is your icing sugar. Okay.
900 grams. We have to use 450.
It will fall. The few days attachments and keep it there. It will fall there. Keep it there. Put it back on the table. Give it to my shoulder. Is it sufficient or should I give it on the back?
In that box ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು
ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಫ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು
ಏನು 80%.
Now we will seal it. Sealing is most important. Here you cannot skip this process because this icing sugar always forms the lumps. So that is why maybe it has lumps, so that was later. So let it go little, keep on sealing. Okay, take the big spatula from there, big spatula. So either, no, you cannot do it this one. Wait.
Should I get it? What you can get it?
No, let it be, Shashi, let it be. One person only needed. This spatula, not with this. It is not this. So after this, I will tell you the English question also. Okay, Shashi, take one bowl from there and put some water. Water means
Okay,
just
yeah.
a half of the bowl. That's what I was saying, you have to use this and take a small quantity. It has lumps now, it will be difficult. Is this. Look. No, no, Shashi, drink and water.
Yeah.
They are also very good. Very small size, eh? That's what So they will check the strength. I'm out. Open that. Yes, Shailesh. You should have bring the plate also for that.
I thought I can keep it.
I think I bought the stand. Did I keep it?
You kept it back.
ಅದು wait a little while.
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ.
It's okay, let it be.
No, nothing in that. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿ. ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
I should start eating food for baking. Yes, Shashi.
You can do it. Finally.
What is this?
Glucose. Liquid glucose. That's why I kept it here, so because it will not come out like this. You have to hold it at least for 5 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
It's very thick. Now to this we will add CNC powder. Here we have, if you want to take the pictures, you can take all the leaving pictures. Anyone can take and send it in the group. So you can, no need to take your separate.
Very good.
Half is this. just let it bloom. You have to add this into the hot water. Okay, I have taken 1 tablespoon and then let it go. Okay, it will bloom fast. That's why you have to do the hot water. Okay, recipe is completely different. Now this will go inside this and you have to mix it. So you have no, that is TBS.
Tablespoon.
CBS. Okay, that's why we have it. Then SPP. Now this I will add. So directly into this I will add. So we will not add directly onto the bowl or the surface. We have to put some sugar. Okay, that's why the people when they build the home, no? How they do it when they are making the cement. Because they put cement, then they add water. It's like this one. Because it's very stiff. Mix it and then I will do it. And the way we people make the cement, the same way they have to do it over there. Okay, so you must stick with your finger. Otherwise, the all the glucose will be stick on it and it will be difficult to remove. You have to anyway wash your hand. Then this will be less in quantity, the glucose. Okay. Pour it. Pour whole completely. So you have to do this. I'm not doing, I'm just telling you, you will do it. If we are there, keep on doing this. It will start absorbing your sugar like this. Then slowly, slowly you will start kneading. Okay? Now into this we will not add anything. You might feel this is very dry, it is not binding, it will bind. If you add more glucose or more water, later on it will become very fluid. Okay, that we don't.
Just last day of January. Last December, December 1 year. December 4th. ಅವಳೇ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನ ಅದೇ ನಾವೇ ಅವಳು ತಿಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ನಾವೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ಅದು ಈಗ
We have to just bring it together. Okay. So fondant always, whenever you are making it, you have to make at least 1 day before to give it rest. Then just bring up it. Then another you can do it. You will have a flexibility which we need in the fondant.
Just out of curiosity, this kneading can we do with our hand and so on?
Don't try.
Yeah, just asking.
To make this, there are different machineries which are capable to do it. But this will be very hard. You will feel like oh, it's not binding, and now this machine can do it. It cannot take that load. But making fondant at home is very, very cheaper than the buying from outside.
outside.
Yes, outside the fondant, 1 kg you will get it around 400 to 500 per kg. That is the minimum price. Just you can get it within 150 rupees. 1 kg, very easily. Just 150. And one time to make it, you can keep it for 3 to 4 months.
This one we can put it for
3 to 4 months, easily. So now, here one side we will prepare the cream cheese also. So for this recipes there I have given I believe cream cheese topping to say what is that? Cream cheese topping will be there. So the ratio is 1:1:1. Okay, 1 part butter, 1 part cream cheese and 1 part of sugar. So first we will take the room temperature butter. This is the room temperature butter. Okay. Now how to find it? When you will press the finger, should not stick on your finger. The butter is not. It should not come like this. This is melted butter. This is melted butter we call. Okay. So we will take the letter, right now I am taking 50, 50, 50, 50. We will take 50. First we will just fix this until it's changed its color to the lighter shade, which we call pale yellow color. Okay, so what we will do, we will take a small portion here to understand the texture. This is the normal butter, then keep on mixing.
ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾಟ್ ಸೊ ಮಚ್
ಹೌದಾ?
ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅವತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಫಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ
ಹಾಂ
ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
So we need it properly with you.
Now she told me to do it next day.
Okay, then come and do it.
Yeah. I was right.
Huh? This is hold the shape properly. So it's hold the shape. Previously it was looking for not mine. So go by. Okay. And then we will use the cleaner to cover it and you can take the weight also. What is the exact weight of this?
ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Little more. Pale yellow. I will take it. Do it.
ಸುಮಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Gluten free.
No, it's completely fine. Now see this. It's completely made. Okay, this we have to do it. Now let's bring it together and use finger.
Round, right.
ready.
So I'm coming and I will tell you. And look at the scissor, where is the scissor?
This will have to keep it in fridge now.
No, room temperature. Fridge is an enemy of a fondant. Always remember. Even after putting cake also you cannot keep it. So this is sugar. 99% sugar we have taken. Okay. And when the sugar comes into contact of water, what happens?
Okay.
Then so if you want to keep it in the fridge, you have to maintain that cold temperature outside also. You have to do not give the temperature shock. If you will give the temperature shock, it will get the condensation, it will start melting, and everything whatever you have put it will come down. Okay?
So this should be refrigerated. Freezer or not?
That's what I was saying.
No.
Okay, if you're not going fridge, reason because this is sugar, and when the water will come into contact of this, it will start melting.
So,
Okay, so it will not go in fridge. Always at the room temperature of it. Just clean like this and put it in any ziploc bag or whatever you have. Like I know. First the brown. This is also this and we will first see the brown. We're going to take it from there.
Shashi,
ಬಂದ.
White and yellow. This we want. So there is no particular time how much time we need to do it. It is depends on the quantity, how much quantity you are taking. But see the color. fluffiness. It's looking like a cream now, right? Now we will add sugar into it. Add some sugar in it. And look at that. There. The box is there.
Last.
Pink. So 50 grams cream cheese has to be added, right? So 50 grams of that. First you can mix with this and then you will get it. First the butter we will get, then after adding the sugar also again 1 to 2 minutes we will wait. And take out the brownie also. First take out the brownie. Okay, so we have to dip it till this also should become little cream, and it should not be like granule. Okay. If you want, you can increase the quantity of cream cheese.
cheese.
I can't digest still I did. Try a little more.
This homemade, right? No?
This will go in fish. First you keep it then come. Okay, so first we whip the butter for 2 to 3 minutes, then we add the sugar, then we again whip it for 3 minutes. After adding cream cheese, we will not whip it for longer time, we will just mix it. And done. If you will keep on mixing, this is a daily based frosting. So the one again sugar is getting water, it will start melting. It will become watery. So no matter how longer you keep it in the fridge, it will not, because it has become water already. Okay? This is done. If you are not using it, keep it in the fridge. Okay? And if you will keep it in the fridge, butter will set. So you have to take it out for at least half an hour before, then you can use it in your cakes. Okay? So taste. Take it with you also. Take it now.
Wow.
Please come here. Then say it now. Taste.
Wow. Super it is.
Really
Really.
Your tongue didn't also went inside the mouth. Hard time.
Wow. It's really. I'm not lying, but it's really super.
Super. Amazing.
Yeah.
I am remembering this bread bun.
Yeah, but
yeah.
if we put on that bun, no?
It will be awesome.
Next level.
So this is the frosting for the red velvet cakes. That is why we call it a velvety, which is a more creamier, more tastier. Okay?
Okay, for any red velvet, we'll have to use this frosting. Or depends.
Basically, it is this only, but it depends. Nowadays, people don't use this because it's very costly. We are using cream cheese, which is comes very costly.
In fridge, how many days now?
After making this frosting, 2 to 3 days. Or more than that. अब हम कल लाइव आएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.